And anyone giving me 15 push-ups around, you got to show me that video footage. I don't believe you. You can keep these perfect chest to floors. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the first 15-minute workout. Still smashing and thrashing. Today it's TABATA, the sign of every lazy trainer. Too bad I didn't make up a program today, so I'll just put the clock on and make up exercises for you to get through. Don't fall for it, but today we're doing it because it's a crap load of reps and we only have 15 minutes to go for it. So we're gonna keep things high and intense. One full round of squats, then push-ups, and then sit-ups will take us 12 minutes of work with a minute in between, 15 minutes, no problem there. We gotta keep the highest average of reps in the round. You can't do 30 reps in one round and then be dead on the floor doing 4 in the next. So what's the highest amount you can maintain without falling off the map? That's the goal. I know we're all strapped for time, but I hope you've all gone through the 50 workout series. We did TABATA once or twice in there. I remember, I think I held 14 or 13 squats per round for the squat round. So that's what I'm gonna first hold on to when we get into squats. We get to the clock in a second. All you need today is your body weight for squats, body weight for push-ups. You can do strict hand release, or I don't want to do it, but I'll allow you to do the conditioning style if you know what that is, because you've been through the series, you know. Otherwise, you're propping up on something higher to maintain perfect strict form push-ups. And then for sit-ups, you need to hook your toes under your couch or on 2 dumbbells as an anchor so we can do a little more speedy sit-ups up and down. If you don't have that, you'll just be a little slower and your numbers a little lower. That's it. You've already warmed up because you're a pro by now. You know all my warm-up moves, all my series. So that's easy. Let's just cut the camera and get into this nasty little TABATA series. All right, we're about to get going here in the squat round. TABATA, 8 sets of 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, maximal exertion, holding the highest average you can. I remember I tried 13 per round squats, so let's see if I can maintain it. Hopefully you can maintain that neutral spine, get your hips below knees. If not, you know that's your homework. You gotta get that mobility. No high squats, no rounding backs, straining. So know your limit, stay within it. Let's get the squats going, and then it's a minute break, and I'll prompt us for the push-ups after. Okay, here we go. Crank up your music. Let's get after it. 4 seconds. Hands reach out in front of us. Boom, up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, there's 14. See if I can hold 14. 10-second shakeout. Hands reach in front for counterbalance and then kind of shoot through the air to get yourself up. Can I hold 14s? Ooh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. I'm not going to go any further than 14 because I don't want to fall off the map. Long way down for a tall guy. 6'4". Don't tease me. Woo! Third round. It goes quick. Full range. Okay, I'm stopping short. These bugs are back. Can you believe it? Spring has sprung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some burden showing up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, don't tease the shorts. Shorts aren't short, I'm just tall. This is 5, I think. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, getting harder, getting harder. How did these beetles survive? Jeez. Here we go. 8, turn and burn. Still holding on. 2 more rounds, I think. So let's see if I can go 15s. 4 range of motion. Ooh, 15, oh boy. Okay, bonus rep. This might be the last round or second last round. Getting heavy. 50. Was that the last round? Stopwatch on for a minute breather. So my score, add up your reps, all 14s, 2 15 bonus rounds, 7 and 8. So you can get ready for push-up. Mats can come down for the knees. And I ain't gonna get very far in the push-ups. Oh, stretch the quads out. Ooh. I'm making this tough and squeezing us with just a minute between. Get your push-up positions ready. I'm obviously going strict chest to floor. No form breaks, no rolling. 20 seconds to go. Saving this beetle's life here. Come on, flip over, there you go. Okay. Here we go for push-ups. 10-second lead in. I should have counted that in. I'll only go 50-second break next time. Push-ups, 3, 2, 1. Don't do too many because these hit the wall fast. Gonna stop at 10 to be safe. Shake out the chest. Nice arm flies. It's 1 down. I will not hold 10, no chance. Chin up so your face doesn't get in the way. That lets you get your chest to ground. Ooh. Pulling the cord at 7. Got to maintain here, you're going to crash and just be able to do 1 rep around. That's no good. And anyone giving me 15 push-ups around, you got to show me that video footage. I don't believe you. You can keep these perfect chest to floors. They are way harder than any version push-up. Gotta keep 7, I'm not gonna get the reps. If you push that failure rep, you're gassed. It's redlining, you'll never recover from it. Here we go. Oh, it's gonna suck. Keep it going halfway, getting to halfway. This clock you can get on my Amazon link, but it doesn't show set numbers, so you're just guessing. We're in. Ooh. Ooh. Push-ups are tough. Push-ups are tough. That was only 6. 6 strict there. Trying to not lose any form. Oh crap, he's come quick. I'm hitting the wall. 5, 10, 7, 7, 7, 6, 5. Ooh, ooh. After push-ups, well, let's get it done here. Can't do any more. I won't have any left. Ooh, blowing up. Blowing up. Feels good. Okay, 1 or 2 more rounds. We're in. Oh, might be it. Might be it. Maybe one more. And then we're thinking about sit-ups coming up. That's it. Stopwatch on. Minute breather. Sweat towel water can be nearby because we have the gap. We'll get us going in a minute. Okay, let's get your dumbbell anchors ready. Like so. And the way we're going to think about this is there's a wall at our toe line, boof, that you're tapping, and then down for the next rep, tapping, or you can physically set up in front of a wall. You can do all the arm swinging you want. Momentum is allowed. It gets ugly. And hopefully you can get us some more reps. Okay, I'm gonna get this going at the 50, so it's a minute actually. Stop, 7, starting. Okay, final round. Got a good sweat going. Now it's time to blow up the core. Okay, knuckles at the touch behind you, touch the floor. 1, floor, 2, patty cake, baker's man. Always touch the floor past you. Touch the imaginary wall. Okay, I think that was only 9 with too much talking, so I'm gonna speed this up and try to hold on 10s. Touch, touch. Nope, 9s. That's gonna be tough to hold. Anything you do in the first 2, you probably won't be holding for the rest. Oh, here we go again. Touch the floor. Boom. 1, 2. Double hand touch. 3. Touch the floor. Oh, it starts to slow down. 8.5. So I'll call that 8. Didn't finish the tap. Here we go. Tap. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, 4, 5. 9. So the score is 9, 8, 8, 9 so far. Boom. 1, 2. Try to roll your spine down. Roll it up. No low back pain. Oh, that's another 8. Whoa. Not gonna pull the tall guy excuses out, but there's a lot of lever action going here. Touch. 1, touch. 2, touch. 3, touch. 4, touch. 5, touch. 6, touch. 7, 8, 9. Boom. And if you've ever done Tabata before, you will be smoked after this. It's so short and sweet, but gets that muscle burn. Lay on the ground. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, slow it down. Oh, 7. Yeah. Oh, 8. Ooh, hitting that burn barrier. Did I throw afterburners yet? Afterburners thrown. Final round maybe? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. One more, or that was it. I'm not sure. That's it. Woo! We did it. Get out toe. There we did it. Tabata. Too bad I didn't think of a program for you today. You can chirp your trainers anytime you hear them throw Tabata in. Let's add up all of our total reps. That becomes your score for the 3 rounds. You come back, take notes, write it down, try to beat it in a month or so. Okay, so you have my 10 10-minute workouts. We're gonna go 10 15-minute workouts and then 10 20-minute workouts. So I'm gonna give you those puzzle pieces you can put together. You all should definitely go back and do my full programming. I said I'm gonna say it every single workout because that is just the gold mine and nuggets of all exercises, all movement, and tons of education. So until the next workout, 15 more minutes. I'll see you back then.